Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back. I'm getting a lot of lag right now. 6 FPS, that's like really bad. Alright, it's rebuilding, but yeah. Anyways, we're gonna be doing some school bus routes with Bloomington Public Schools bus. Shorty will be tomorrow, Wednesday routes. I'll do a Wednesday route probably tomorrow. Today I'm gonna be talking about if people are looking into getting careers, if you're about 8th grade, maybe even a freshman in high school, and you still don't know what you want to do and you love school buses. This video is for you. If you love my channel, this video is also for you. And I want to thank everyone. I think I'm at 26 subscribers. My goal is to hit 50 by the end of the year. Hopefully, I pray to God I can. If not, I'm going to try to hit it by March of next year. So, please help me get that goal. So, I'm going to talk a bit about some things you can do. This might not apply because of your school and stuff. And depending on where you live too. So right now I'm gonna try to start up the C2. That's not good. And that's not good. It's not good. It's like she's not running. Okay, let's try that. Okay, that's not good. Maybe she's just gonna get put. No. Alright, they'll tell that thing back to the DOT's office to get looked at. Inspections are this week for December. Gotta do them every year, so it's second quarter, so yeah. Second quarter is actually ending for these peeps, so they gotta get the buses looked at. So, yeah, I guess we're gonna be stuck in the Amtrak FE. So, back onto that. So, my school has two options for diesel mechanic. Well, not two options, but there's like one option if you do want to be a diesel mechanic. I'm just gonna let her run like that for a bit. In neutral as well. So, few options if you want to be a diesel mechanic. First of all, if you want to be a diesel mechanic, I'm pretty sure there's some trade schools you can end up going to, just for that. And, like, we have a trade school. You can go to be a diesel mechanic. Oh, yeah, I forgot to turn lights on for ways. I'm going to be experiencing some lag here, but, yeah. Alright. Bit of lag. Yeah. Alright. So, everything's working, so... yeah. There's a few things you can do. I just lagged really bad. First thing you can do is probably, try out the trade school your school has and stuff. I wanted to go there and talk to the transportation supervisor. She said there's something like a community something that I can take. I'm gonna circle around, and technically there realistically would be buses on this side, so alright, so yeah, she said that if I stayed in the school I'm currently in and didn't go to Ford County, that I could get some experience working on our fleet, and she does trust me, so, and yes, I do know how to work on engines and stuff. She said if I did that, I could work for the school district, there. And just some life advice. Right now, I'm kind of, stuck and I don't know what I didn't want to do, and stuff, so. She said that if I did that, I could possibly become a mechanic for their school. And I would work kind of like shadow the current mechanic we have there right now. And, now, I'm probably gonna accept that. I'm just gonna see the details and stuff, see what I would, have to do. And I'm also gonna talk to her school counselor, because she does job counseling, apparently. And I think it'd be pretty fun because, you know, I'd get some experience, you know, working on a fleet beside an experience like school bus specified, you know, mechanic, you know, and that lagged me so bad. I hope that didn't break anything. Yeah, everything's fine. But yeah, she said that if I wanted to, get into that I wanted to talk to my counselor and stuff, say, hey, you know, I really, really, really want to do this. Instead of going to the school, they're going to teach me about multiple things, such as, like, you know, garbage trucks and stuff like that. Ooh, yeah, this house. Uh-huh. Yep. Alright, there. That actually looks pretty cool. I'm going to get that as my screen. Well, yeah. Well, I don't think I can do that because the screen, yeah. Okay, I'll just keep that in mind. So, yeah, and then she said that I could do that if I really, really desperately wanted to. And then, oh, these brakes are, like, really bad, but that's how they, you know, usually are. I'm gonna make sure I turn my reds on, because I believe I did. Let me check that real quick here. Ooh, if I just went under the map. Okay, we're just gonna check the manually. Okay, yes, I did. Oh, but I did. That's not right. Okay, that must be a glitch. And yeah, so she said the mechanic's gonna retire about the time I become a senior. So, and like I said, yeah. So yeah, the grass I drove through, that's supposed to be cement, and I know this connects to that lot over there, but we're gonna pretend. I know this is very unrealistic, but we would pretend that there is a fence right here by the condos, because the condo apartments would be completely adjacent, abandoned, and yeah. This is going to be a hard turnaround. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I'm just doing this on, you know, a shorter bus, but... Or we could even do a turnaround, like, right there. Oof, man, supercharged bus. Yeah, here we go. Nope. Where's that one road? I think it's down here, the one that leads to the, yeah, might be... Yep, it is. So we're going to take a left right here. So yeah, if your school is giving you a choice like that, I would like 100% take it. Or wait, hang on, let me check the map. So we're right here. That road leads out there. Yeah, I think it would. Hang on. I know this is unrealistic for Ohio, but try to take. Nope, because you know what? I just remembered. I remember watching an old video where I went in here. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we're on the right track now. We're gonna go here a bit more. Also, I know we're kind of gonna get a bad rep here as Garfield for some reasons because we have a current link, a link that got leaked by someone. We don't know who it is, but we're trying to protect our links as much as we can. And we aren't even joking. So yeah, we're really trying to protect our... What? Okay. Yeah, we're really trying to protect our links here from getting leaked by any people in the company. So we're taking a lot of measures and stuff, you know. I'm sorry, I haven't been getting a lot of outside driving cams, but... And I know it's not the exact same as the old route, but... So we're doing AM. And my old video might have done AM or PM, but... I'll try to stay on top of that, so... For you guys to make it more realistic. This is not an actual company. Oh god, the curb. Oh man. So... Yeah, right now we're doing AMs, then they're gonna get dropped back off at the school. Yeah. And... Alright. So... We are gonna have a new kid starting next week, so any Rigs of Rods videos I'll be doing next week will include a new kid, new stop, probably like right to make it a bit more harder for me, so I can get some more experience in driving this long bus for an extra bit. Usually this is what I'll take to like sporting events, speaking of which, right over there. Yep. So... There's the off-ramp that leads to the school... No, not school. What is it? There's a second school. It's like a backup bus lot, kinda. Like if something happens to... It's where I do a lot of my rigs, rods, bus testing and stuff, like suspension tests and stuff. So... We got a normal stop up here. I got a video I didn't upload similar to this one, basically where the C2 wouldn't start. But I figured I'd make a new version of it since, yeah. Alright. Alright, this stop right here. So, there's a law where I do gotta walk the kids across. Well, yeah, these kids, they've been misbehaving while crossing the road. School bus, so I gotta look both ways, and then I gotta walk them back on. And yeah, there we go. And hopefully nothing bad's gonna happen. That's my handicap stop right up here. Many of you probably... Did I'm so dumb. Oh yeah, that TC3000, that's gonna be a long bus for like stuff, but I just decided to show that off because I think that's a new mod, and well, yeah. So, man, lag, man. I hate lag. I know. Shoot, that curb is... It's so hard to operate this bus. Officially. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna link this bus. I'm only gonna link buses I know are public that are on the repository. If someone just sent me the link, I'm not gonna do that unless I click the link and it takes me to the repository, so. Boom, perfect stop. Please tell me. Yes, let's go. Oh yeah, I'll also be doing a review of the new drum pad that Evan's just released. It's the special edition. Think y'all can go grab it. Still, I'll have to check. It's somewhere. It's somewhere. Out there. The deep dark web. I know, I'm just joking. It's on the repository. So yeah, y'all can go get it. Oh, where am I? What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, my door is malfunctioning. There we go. See, it's not... Okay. Probably just a simple... Okay. 2 months... So, our bus garage is pretty much literally right where we are. Yeah, but I will probably be kind of like be working as a bus mechanic, kind of. But like not actually working. So I'm going to be shadowing someone, which means like it's a job you want to do. You're watching someone else do it. You're helping them do it. You know. Okay, we got to do the AM. Okay, so this is how we do our AMs here. Well, at my school. So. Yep. So now we're gonna go next. Go up just a bit. Yeah, we gotta get that door looked at. So our garage is located off campus. It's basically like a super service garage, something like that. It's called like that. Okay, now we're gonna get going. Yeah. Basically, this is just to make sure that they all got to get scanned and stuff by one bus, so you know you're not having a bunch of kids. Wait, did my door actually work though? It did, let's go. Yeah, I just gotta report that though. So, yeah, those garages over there are too small to be actual, like, legit bus garages, so. Yeah, the door's working, so we're just gonna report it, and if it happens again, we'll tell them and stuff. So yeah, we just gotta tow that bus over to the bus garage, get it section looked at. Yeah. It's literally just an engine, they're probably not gonna have to do anything, so. We are driving on the school, so right now we got 4 wheels on. Yeah, it's going to be a bit longer of a video, and I love Vimeo because you can go and record for as long as you want. I've had other screen recorders they've cut out immediately of recording, and I was just like, you know, kind of done, you know. I was like, I'm done with you. I had Hippo, I've had, what else? Shoot, I don't know. That's how much screen recorders I've been through. Oh, we're gonna hit the curb. Oh, okay, we actually hit the building on accident. Well, I didn't want to hit the curb, so I accidentally misunderstood it, and perfect parking. Okay. There we go. Alright. So, yep. Door is working. That's an air. This is an air door. This is a propane bus. This is our first ever propane bus. So, yeah. We gotta get this guy looked at. And, yeah. So, I'm gonna do that really quick. And, yeah. Ugh. Yeah, I just did that just to make it look real. I don't know why. Yup, we're gonna... Hang on, y'all. Hang on. I'm gonna let it warm up a bit. Yeah, so I'm back. I just wanted to let it warm up and maybe gain some lag, so. Actually, we decreased in lags. Yep. And, yeah, okay, great. Not too realistic, but it does. Yeah, we also are going to be getting a snowplow for the school because it's getting wintry, so we're going to go do that. We're going to go to the backup parking lot for our school. That's where they also have big snowplow auctions and things in the winter, so. Yep, and so we're gonna take I'm gonna go. The entire DOT office is gonna go over there. We're gonna probably end up, and it is ran by the state DOT. So there's the bus that broke down. Lucky duck. So we're just gonna get her towed out here. Oh yeah. Also another thing. Yeah, no, we're not going to take that curve because that would be highly unrealistic. So I'm trying to plan out what I'm going to do. Probably going to have to end up towing it around. And then, so yeah, I'm just going to basically yeet. Okay, yeah. No, okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh. Oh, man. It's finna tip the bus. Yeah, let's retry that. Whoa. Isn't that just a bit? O L or O? Oh, hopefully. I know what it is. I think is that we are actually gonna have to put these hooks down. O. Yeah, you know what we're gonna have to do? We're gonna have to O on hook. Yeah, yeah, we're just gonna try to, we're just gonna take and just eat this guy. Hang on. So yeah, basically, but yeah, no, they're gonna have to, actually, you know what? This guy is a service guy. But yeah, hang on. I know I'm technically making it unrealistic, but we do gotta move it just a bit here. And yeah, that's a bit too much here. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna do what? We're gonna line up the wrecker. Neutral. Here we go. Watch that. Alright, watch out here. Okay. There we go. Thank goodness. Yep. And now, that's about it. Now we just gotta go. Make sure she's in neutral, make sure parking's off, turn on four-way flashers. Currently parking is on, so now we're gonna throw in four ways as well. Looks like that, it's also gonna need, some repair. The dash, that we're probably gonna have to replace an LED. The LEDs are always burning out in these, C2s, so These are 2008s, so... time to play the good old game of parking lot here. Please don't lag me, please don't lag me, please don't lag me. Yeah, okay, I can see little lights running. Ooh, man. Yeah, please don't lag, please don't lag, please don't lag, please don't lag. Come on, don't lag. Hit a curb. Alright, yeah, so, yeah, they're gonna have to tow this thing back. Probably as well as me. LOL. Huh. So, yeah, we have been over here trying to do this for about, I have. So, yeah. I know I'm taking the, and I quote, pretend lot. The one that we said there would be a fence, but we couldn't hit the curb, so, yeah. I'm gonna see if we can get out of here without hitting the bus. Let's go, man. How I'm trying to do it as slow and cool as I can. Yep, just gonna Joe cool it here. Oh, we cleared it, actually, legit though. We've cleared it. Please don't hit that. Okay, there we go. We cleared the bus. We didn't hit the bus. We were very, very close to it. So now we're under the parking lot game. It's gonna get her back to the school and the DOT's office. Don't tip. Do not tip. Oh, phew, that was a close one. Yep, so, yeah, if you're thinking about getting into the mechanics, that's a pretty good idea. Opportunity, a good idea as well. Try to keep it in the 20, you know. We can. Some sparks there. Yeah, we might do a semi-tow someday, I don't know. Yeah, so. Oh yeah, also the buses had to be quarantined because of workers, so. Yeah, I know that sounds really weird, but yeah. Oh my. You know what I just did? Oh, I screwed up. Okay, luckily there's a back entrance I can take here. That's a police department for my Rigs of Rods police thing, company I do. So now here. So yeah, hopefully this can take me to where I want to. Probably not. I'm probably going to end up doing a whole turnaround here. So yeah, sorry this video is going to be a lot longer than all my other videos. Yeah. Oof, come on, man. So yeah, I'll just let you guys do some nice fun driving. I'm gonna slow down here. No, speed is 50. Through here, there's no well, trucks aren't allowed through here. No, I hate Rigs of Rod's lag. Mom, yes. I'm sorry. Guys, my mom. That was my mom. She was asking if I seen the T-shirt, and I just want to make things brief whenever I'm recording. So. And this is right here, legit right here. This is on zone. Yep. Despite all the lag. enter as we got to do. No, that's 15 all through here, so. Okay, we just gotta make sure. I'm gonna have to lower it just a bit here, just so we can get the bus in. Yeah, alright. Yep. We're gonna wait for her to settle down. Yep, now we're gonna get out. Wow, the bus. I hate it when you spawn. It's just like, okay, I'm gonna get out of my vehicle. And then you just spawn on the freaking roof. Okay, now we're gonna throw the parking brake on. There. Yep, so there we go. So now we're gonna disconnect here. Oh. I call those grabby arms when they're doing that. So. Yep, report back to you tomorrow. Looks like we actually did damage the truck just a bit, but you know, nothing too bad. Yep. So yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a great day. Hopefully our C2 gets fixed. Yeah. So yeah, hopefully, praying our C2 really does actually get fixed here. So yep, just to reduce that and stuff. So they said we should have it, depending on what the engine problem is. Just sounds like it needs something. I don't know, new air filter or something, because there was a weird noise coming out. But, probably air filters clogged, and we just gotta get new ones. So, depending on how long it takes for the part to order, they'll have to drive up to the DOTs, do everything, and we'll also get the snowplow. So that's gonna be pretty cool. And I'm gonna see if I can attach the snowplow to a Dodge Ram, just like we have a red Dodge Ram at our school. That's snowplow truck. So I'm gonna see if I can do that. So yeah, yeah. See y'all later.